New at 9, a local nonprofit says they're continuing to see an increase in the number of young people in need of housing and support.
Fox 23 weekend anchor Morgan Martin joins us live in the newsroom after sitting down with Youth Services of Tulsa. Morgan, they told you it's been an anxious time for young people experiencing homelessness, with things going on like Governor Stitt's ongoing operation to remove homeless encampments on state property in Tulsa.
They did. They also noted that the need for affordable housing has been something they've watched grow for years as barriers for stability have increased as well.
Over 300 youth that are on that waiting list, actively seeking housing and needing support to get back on their feet. And there are a lot of amazing housing providers offering supportive resources, but there's just not enough affordable housing to go around.
Hannah Taha oversees the Housing and Support Services Department at Youth Services of Tulsa. She says having safe spaces for young people is imperative to the health of our community as a whole.
I have noticed a growing amount of anxiety that we're seeing with youth who come to access services here at the station. So with everything that's happening in the community right now, I've just seen that they're feeling more concerned about what services are out there for them to access.
The nonprofit serves young people ages 12 to 24 in all of Tulsa County under 4 main program areas, from counseling services to runaway and homelessness support.
Without a permanent shelter, that don't have a place to be in the evenings and nighttime, especially when the shelters are full. It puts them in a really precarious situation.
Carolyn Olson with YST says the center's clients come from all situations and walks of life, from teens in remedial courses to those in need of a safe space, leaving a home with abuse or neglect.
People who are maybe struggling in school and need a safe place through our shelter or access our safe place program. I'd say we've seen an uptick in kind of those numbers, and young people with anxiety. It's a very anxious time, and I think we're definitely seeing the effects of that.
Hannah says even when the day-to-day can feel dark, the work the center does is well worth it.
The young people that we work with, they show up day in and day out and show us that it's worth sticking in there, not giving up, maintaining hope for a bright future, even when maybe your day-to-day is feeling pretty dark.
If you'd like to learn more about Youth Services of Tulsa and how you can support their work, we have a link in the story on fox23.com. Live in the newsroom covering news that matters, Morgan Martin, Fox 23 News.